Damn, so this entire fucking gap got filled up today. Overnight was crazy. Straight bullish candles. I think I'm gonna trade on MES today. I'm not gonna touch ES. Did Nasdaq even have that gap? I never checked Nasdaq. Yeah. Oh, so Nasdaq went even higher. Holy shit. Nasdaq is done with that entire thing. Boom, boom. High time frame is bullish, but I feel like we're gonna rip right at market open, take this out, and then just start climbing back down into the zone. And honestly, if I get a short off of that, that's enough for me for today. But I'm hoping we don't drop at all, because I don't want to play against my bias. This shit hit 5 times and hasn't reacted. We're about to fly. So yeah, with these two gaps now, if it comes down into here and it bounces out, that's going to be my long entrance. If not, we're going to look for it to break through this, come into here, and then bounce out. Hopefully sweeping probably this low. I'd be more comfortable entering off of here though. If it comes back down through this gap, sweeps this, breaks up, and goes back up to maybe here, whatever. But I also don't want it to just tap it and then break structure and go up without me. I wouldn't enter off of that. I'm looking at this gap here as well. Maybe it taps into this and goes. We seem to just be bouncing around these two zones though. Yeah, Nasdaq is just being Nasdaq. Yeah, there we go. That's what the fuck I didn't want to happen. But it's fine, because now we have this gap here that we can play off of. So if price breaks below into here and bounces out, boom. That's the entrance. I might enter shallow on Nasdaq, because it looks like SPY is leading the move. I'm gonna enter with just 2 contracts. Alright, well at this point I'm risking $40 fucking, so I don't really care. I think the MNQ just got fucked. Yeah. That's the last time I ever played Nasdaq. It's been doing this the past couple of days. Just fucking wicking. That's it. Look at this. Right at market open. Wick. It's fucking ridiculous. Same thing here. Wick. It's insane. I'm not gonna enter off of any of this. This is just noise. I'm gonna wait for 950 before I play anything. Was that really an entrance for me though? No. That got invalidated. The only thing I could see potentially is if it breaks down into here. And that's also equilibrium. So, boom to this. That's equilibrium. Break into here, bounce out, break a structure. Halfway through equilibrium, I could enter off of that. Unless it fucking completely goes down, then I don't know. That's a cook as well. Shit's fucking ripping. Well, if anything, we can come back down to the original spot. Okay. My last point. If this gets swept through, I don't think I'm playing today. The bad thing is, there's like no high time frame near us anyway. You got this, but this is never gonna get tapped out. This gap is probably gonna get filled without me today. I don't see any other entry. If this does not get tapped, I don't see shit. If this breaks structure, it'd be tempting, but I don't think it's worth it. Unless they inverse this gap. So unless we get a candle that forms like this, or up here I mean, and then that's an inverse, bounces out, I could play off of that, but if not, I'm not gonna fucking gamble. This is such a strong correction for pretty much nothing. Price was steadily moving up, and now it's just drilling. Meaning, I'm almost certain we're gonna go back up the same fucking way. We finally fucking swept it. Okay, now we break structure, we come back up, I'm entering. Inverse there, hopefully. Okay, relax, relax, relax. I need this candle to come up. Inverse this whole thing. We back into it. We come up. Got 20 seconds to inverse this gap. Well, it's still inverse, kind of. We break into here, I enter for long. We gotta come break above this point, and then I'll go in for a long with my stop below the inverse. Shit's about to touch. Okay, swept right through it. Nice. I think I might be done for today. We're gonna keep drilling. My bias has been eradicated. I'm not really too comfortable with going for shorts anywhere here. So much shit stacked up on top of each other. This gap had to get filled and didn't get filled. I'm okay with stopping here. Nothing else gonna happen. I didn't see anything for shorts, but it's gonna keep fucking drilling, so it is what it is. I was looking for us to inverse this gap here, bounce right out of it, but ended up keep going down since this fucking gap up here. Fuck it. I'm done for today.